Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Gemini CLI. First, ensure you have Python installed on your system. Then, open your terminal and use pip to install the Gemini CLI package. After installation, you'll need to initialize the configuration, which typically creates a default settings file in your home directory. This file is crucial for storing your API key and other preferences securely. Now, let's authenticate your CLI. You'll need to generate an API key from the Google AI Studio. Once you have your key, add it to the configuration file we discussed earlier. It's vital to keep this key confidential. After saving, you can test your setup by running a simple command, like listing available models, to confirm successful authentication and communication with the Gemini API. With your CLI authenticated, you can now send your first prompt. Use the Gemini generate command followed by your text to get a response from the default model. You can also explore other available models using the Gemini list models command to see their capabilities. If you ever need assistance, simply type Gemini help or Gemini command help for detailed usage instructions. Beyond basic prompts, the Gemini CLI offers advanced features. You can fine-tune model behavior by adjusting parameters such as temperature for creativity or max output, tokens for response length. These options provide greater control over the generated content. Integrating CLI commands into your shell scripts allows for powerful automation, streamlining your workflows. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. This helps you maximize your productivity and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.